In this video, I'll show you how to add your homepage to your main navigation. Now, this is something that is so subjective. I personally do not love seeing the word home in navigation. I think people will click your site title or your logo to go home, but about half the people in the world disagree with me, and there is not one right answer. So in this video, I'll show you how to get that homepage in your navigation to say home so people can click it and go to your homepage. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. If you don't have my pre-launch checklist yet and you're working on a Squarespace website, I'll drop a link below. Be sure and grab that because there are 50 videos that you can walk through showing you everything you need to do before you launch your website. Okay, I am here in a Squarespace template. This is just one random one from their template shop. And I wanted to show you, first of all, how the pages work. So let me click on Pages under Website. And we have two sections here. The first is Main Navigation, and the second is Not Linked. So you'll see here that all of these items, Shop, Journal, About, and Contact, that are under Main Navigation appear in your main navigation on your website. We've got Shop, Journal, About, and Contact. So they're in this order. Now, you can reorder these, so I can drag About on top of Journal and it reorders it here. Now, if this doesn't look like your website header, don't worry, because your website, most of the templates actually have a different design that looks like this. So it's conceivable that it looks like this on your website, and I'm going to remove login because nobody wants that. Sometimes it turns that on and I'm not sure why. All right, there we go. So we have it aligned here, and I don't love how close this is, but we're not going to get into the weeds. We're going to stick with what we're doing. So it could be that your header looks like this, right? And it's the same thing. You can drag and reorder, and it will reorder it here. So I'm going to put it back like it was, but just know that no matter the layout of your header, this will all work the same. Okay. Now, you'll notice that I am on the home page of the website here. It does not appear in my main navigation. It's here under Not Linked. So the way you get home to appear in the main navigation is you click, hold down your mouse button, and drag it up. And you can put it wherever you want, but my suggestion is to put it first because that is objectively the best design. I said it's subjective whether you have it here or not, but objectively, if you're going to move it there, make sure it's the first item. All right, it's underlined here because we are on the homepage. If we go to shop, that one's going to be underlined. That's just how this template is set up. I think it looks really nice. And I hope this helped you out if you wanted to get your homepage into your main navigation. And be sure to grab the Squarespace pre-launch checklist. Again, I'll drop the link in the video description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.